Methods in string. String is immutable data type. That means the original string cannot be changed after it's created. You can change the copy, not the original value. String1 is equal to input, enter a string, then str1 of 0 is equal to a, print string1 enter the string. String object does not support item assignment. You cannot assign a value to the original string and cannot be modified. First method in string, replace method. Replace method is used to replace old characters to new characters. Does not change the original value. Only the changes only the copy in the print statement. Variable name dot replace old value comma new value comma count. Count is optional. Example, string1 is equal to hello world, print string1 dot replace hello comma hi, and we execute it. We can see that it has changed to hi. Now when we print the original string, you can see that the original value is not changed. Print string1 dot replace hello comma hi. You can see that it is not changed because the new value is not changed because the order and the case should be same. I have changed it to h, so hence the old value does not change. Here again I execute. I have replaced a small case L with uppercase L, and if I give a count 1, only the first value will get be replaced. Now both the L's are replaced with capital L. Next method in strings is lower and upper. Lower method is used to convert uppercase to lowercase, and upper method is used to convert lowercase to uppercase. For example, string1 is equal to pyth, print string1 dot lower and execute it. You can see all the characters which were in uppercase is converted to lowercase. Now print string1 dot upper. Here all the characters are converted to uppercase. Swapcase method. This method is used to change the uppercase to lowercase and lowercase to uppercase. Syntax is variable name dot swapcase. Example, string1 is equal to on, print string1 dot swapcase. You execute it. You can see that the uppercase is converted to lowercase and lowercase is converted to uppercase. The next methods are islower and isupper. The method returns true if all the characters in the string is lowercase. Syntax is variable name dot islower. Similarly, isupper, this method returns true if all the characters in the string is in uppercase. Variable name dot isupper. Example, string 1 is equal to hello, print string 1 dot is lower. Will return true because all the characters are in lowercase. It will return false since one of the characters in uppercase. Next example, print string 1 dot is upper. All the characters are not in uppercase, hence it returns false. Now all the characters are in uppercase, hence it returns true. The next method is isalnum. This method returns true if all the characters in the string is alphabet or numeric. Example, string 1 is equal to hello 1 2 3. Print string 1 dot is alnum. Execute. It returns true since it is alphabets and numbers. If I give another special character, it will return false. If it is only alphabet also, it will return true, and if it is only number also, it will return true. Isalpha method returns true if all the characters in the string are alphabets. For example, string 1 is equal to ABC. Print string 1 dot is alpha. Returns true. If there's a number, it returns false. Next method is isnumeric. This method returns true if all the characters in the string is numeric. For example, string 1 is equal to 1 2 3. Print string 1 dot is numeric. Returns true since all the characters are numeric. If I enter an alphabet, it will return false. Next method is startswith. It returns true if the string starts with a given substring. Syntax is variable name dot starts with substring, start index and end index. Start index and end index is optional. Example, string 1 is equal to hello. Print string 1 dot starts with h. Returns true. Print string 1 dot starts with e. If I give starting from position 1, returns true. Ends with method returns true when the string ends with a given value. Syntax variable name dot ends with substring, start index, end index. Example, string 1 is equal to hello 1 2 3. Print string 1 dot ends with 3. Returns true since it ends with 3. Print string 1 dot ends with 2. Return false, but if you enter it 0 comma 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will return true. 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 7. It will return true because we are considering the end index as this much till 2. The end index is always plus 1 in Python.